DIY got here back with another video, and today we're going to be installing LED lights into our high beams. If you remember in the previous video, we installed our LED lights, our low beams here. Now we need to install our LED high beams here. If your car is equipped with the halogen headlight assembly, you know you come with those granny lights. Let's upgrade these to some LEDs. So first, turn this top and pull it up and out like that. Now, you look inside here, simple twist knob, twist it, and it pulls out just like that. Tight fit due to the wiring setup. There you go. Now, to remove this, all we gotta simply do is wobble it out, just like that. Let's get rid of these pinch tabs too. We don't need these anymore. And here, pop those out. Now, what you need is you need the LED light and you need the H7 adapter. So pull this out like this, get it right here, and notice that it sits like that. Now we just need to kind of give it a little bit of tape to hold it in place. And we're just gonna give it one turn, just one. It's gonna be a tight fit. We're just gonna cut it just like that. Now let's get our light and install it something like this. Grooves, line up the grooves just like that. That's odd. My other ones didn't fit this snugly. There we go. And you lock it in place like so. That's actually perfect that it locks just like that. It's nice and firm. I don't even have to put tape on that. That's good. Now, in our box here, we also have this extension tab. And remember, I'll include the link in the description of what I'm using. It's the Cougar motors. So we're gonna install our tab like this. Perfect. Now, the tough part is to line these metal grooves up inside of here. Move this wiring harness out the way for the moment. Get it in there. Now you can see, notice where the tabs are lined up at. And we're going to simply, the only thing is we might get the polarity wrong. If they don't come on when we try to turn them on, then that just means we gotta just flip them, that's all. There we go. There you go. Alright. Now, just like that, we're going to test it and see if it comes on. Turn the car to the on position. Turn that down. Just like that. And high beams are on, so let's go check it. Oh boy, would you look at that. That is beautiful. High beam is working. high beam is working. Now we have to program the lights to make them work fully, completely. Don't force it. If it don't go right in, then you ain't got it in right. Okay, now that that's in, let's turn our car to the on position, and then we're going to transfer it to the phone. One time with your foot off the brake. Now we're on. Let's do the beamer code now. Another update. Awesome. We have a BMW 3 Series. Continue. Okay. Now, I believe we're going to the front electric module, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's go down, we're looking for daytime, I don't know. Headlight washers, we're getting there. Here we go. LED conversion high beam. Use this. Select active. Go back. And you press the code button to the top right. And you're going to tell it to start coding. Wait, please note the coding process. Apple device vehicle battery adapter should not be disconnected during coding. Before coding, make sure airplane mode is enabled. Alright, now let's start coding. Successful. Awesome. Alright, now that we're done coding, we can just tuck these away. Put these down here somewhere safe. Yep, just tuck it away. Get your case. And there you go. Install that. This is what we look like over here on this side. Just repeat the process. Just tuck it down. Get your helmet on there. And with this being coded, we're not going to get any codes or any headlight errors in our dash here. So menu, vehicle status, check control, everything's working properly. Awesome. Thanks for watching, you guys. Till next time.